Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to one of the most impressive AI video generators that can produce cinematic movies in various styles, from 3D futuristic to neon punk, all based on just a simple prompt or idea. Let's dive right in. The tool I'm referring to is LTX Studio. Once you log in, you'll arrive at a page where you can either start by writing a prompt or select the Start with a Script feature if you already have a film concept in mind. This is especially useful for filmmakers who have a story or script ready. With LTX Studio, you receive 3,600 free computing seconds each month, enough to create nearly a 3-minute video or multiple shorter clips. While this isn't a lot, remember, you're not limited to a single email. Now let's create an AI movie. I'll start by clicking on Write Prompt, where I can input my idea. For instance, I'll enter my story and click Next. The tool will then generate characters based on my input. I mentioned 3 characters, Kai, Leo, and Tara, and it created characters named Kai Anderson, Leo Thompson, and Tara Martin. If you're not satisfied with a character, you can easily refresh to generate a new one. You can even upload your own image to apply to a character by clicking the face switch button. After that, you can select an aspect ratio, landscape, square, or portrait to suit platforms like Instagram or YouTube. I'll choose 16:9 since it's for YouTube. There's a wide range of video styles available, including cinematic, anime, and comic book styles. You can also experiment with options like 3D model or cyberpunk, allowing for plenty of creative customization to make your video unique. For this example, I'll select the cinematic style. One of my favorite features of this tool is the ability to add multiple characters to your project, ensuring they remain consistent throughout the video. You can modify a character by clicking on Edit to change their name or age, adjusting it from 26 to 80, for example, and the character's appearance will update accordingly. You can also alter their looks and clothing. I'll change it to a spacesuit and boots. As you input keywords, the preview updates in real time. Additionally, you can change the voiceover with several different options available, making it easy to find the perfect fit. All of these features come together to create a truly versatile tool. I'll select Rachel and click Apply. Next, I'll make similar adjustments to the other 2 characters to ensure they maintain the same style and tone. Once you're satisfied with the character styles, voiceovers, and everything else, you can click Start. After the story is generated, you'll see a storyboard that outlines all the scenes. For instance, Scene 1 shows the spaceship landing on a vibrant alien landscape filled with glowing plants and shimmering colors, complete with auto-generated voiceovers. How cool is that? Scene 1 includes 4 images that you can modify using this prompt. Once you're happy with the adjustments, you can generate the video, but I'll do that later. Similarly, we have scenes 2 through 8. Just look at these incredible images. With just a brief prompt, it created an entire story broken down into scenes, each with unique voiceovers and sound effects. The best part? It all got generated in under 5 minutes from just an idea. You can use the same workflow to create anime, cartoon, realistic, and other types of movies, exploring and experimenting with 52 different styles. Now let me show you some additional features of this tool. You can change shot types, switching between close-ups, extreme close-ups, medium shots, wide shots, or even angles, like from below, above, or a bird's eye view. For instance, a from below shot might enhance this scene, giving the impression of someone watching the landing. You can also add characters to your shots by simply typing and selecting your character from the list. Your character will appear in the scene. If you're not satisfied with how your character looks, you can easily modify them or even swap their face with your own. If a shot doesn't meet your expectations, you can use the shot editor to adjust the frame or upload an image. For instance, I changed the prompt to glowing bioluminescent plants illuminating the surroundings with soft light. You can also change the shot type, override the scene by adjusting the lighting and weather, and alter the camera motion. For minimal motion, select Scene, while a more balanced approach is labeled Natural, and for something more dynamic, choose Extreme. If you want, you can customize it further with camera control and keyframe adjustments. Additionally, you can set the FPS and duration of the shot. Once you've made your adjustments, you can generate the video and you'll receive 4 different versions of the scene. This one appears more natural, as if someone is walking, so let's go ahead and generate it. We can then go back to the storyboard and repeat this process for each shot. If you want to rearrange the order of the scenes, you can simply drag and drop them in your timeline. However, since the generated sequence is quite good, I'll keep the storyline as it is. You can also modify the voiceovers, sounds, and add extra shots if needed before finalizing the video. Make sure to review all the scenes to ensure they look correct. For instance, if there's a scene you don't want, just hover your mouse over it, click the 3 dots, and select the delete option to remove it from the storyboard. Once you're satisfied with all the shots, you can generate them or click the preview button and then select Generate All. You also have the option to upload your own soundtracks from sources like Artlist or Epidemic Sound. When you're happy with everything, click on Share and then Generate Videos. LTX Studio will create all the static shots in a video, which typically takes a minute or 2. After that, you can click on Editing Package to export the project to Premiere Pro or DaVinci for further editing, which is a great feature. Additionally, you can click on Video to download the movie to your computer as an MP4 file. Alternatively, you can choose Presentation Mode to export your project as a pitch deck, which is ideal for artists or filmmakers looking to pitch their video to others.
Remember the moment we landed on that unknown planet. The air was electric, and the landscape glowed with life. Each step felt like a new adventure waiting to unfold. Then there it was, a massive tree, its leaves shimmering with light. I found a golden key at its base, and in that instant, everything changed. When the hidden door opened, my heart raced. We were welcomed into a realm unlike anything we could have imagined. But the Guardian appeared, challenging our intentions. It was a test of courage and trust. I felt a surge of determination to show that we meant no harm. Together with Leo and Tara, we stepped into the unknown, ready to uncover the secrets of this magical world.